Hello, my name is Edward Chin and I am the creator of Peti-Peti. In this video, I will show you how you can use Peti-Peti to help you revise from an exam. Start by typing peti-peti.com in your browser's address bar. You will be taken to Peti-Peti's landing page. If you have not signed in before, tap the door icon at the top right corner of the page. You can then sign in using your Google account or any email account. Once you have signed in, tap the Peti-Peti icon on the top left corner of the page. A menu appears. Tap the option which says Start a new page. You will be presented with a new page which is practically empty except for a box with the words Start with a question. Tap the box and the menu with icons appears. Tap the AI icon. You are asked what you would like Peti-Peti to generate. The first option, a response to the question or prompt, is the existing option that will generate a response to any question or prompt that is entered in the previous box. This is not our focus for now. Instead, we want to explore the next three options: exam practice questions, revision notes, and lesson plan. Let's learn how to generate exam practice questions. Tap the button. You are asked to select an exam board. Notice that in addition to exam boards for high school and pre-university exams, there's also a generic exam board for a university. Tap Malaysia. There are two levels, SPM, which is equivalent to O-levels, and STPM, which is equivalent to A-levels. Tap SPM. A list of subjects appears. Let's tap Mathematics. A list of topics appears. Let's tap Statistics. You are asked to select a question type. Tap Multiple Choice. You are asked to specify the number of questions to generate. Tap 3. You are asked to choose the Gen AI model to generate the questions. Let's tap DeepSeek. In a few seconds, the three questions generated are shown on the screen. Read each question and tap the option that you think is the right answer. If it changes to red, it is not the right answer. The right answer is the one that changes to green. Double tap the answer explanation box to view the answer and explanation. Once you have finished answering the questions, you can save the page. Double-click the header. This collapses all the questions. Give the page a title. Let's change it to My Revision Library. Tap the box Start with a question and change it to today's date. Tap the Peti-Peti icon again, and this time tap the Save in Cloud option. Enter a webpage title. It's a good practice to add your initials in front of the title. For now, let's not worry about the other fields. We'll come back to them another time. Tap Confirm and you will get a message confirming that your webpage has been uploaded to the cloud. Congratulations! So, in this video, we have learned how to generate practice questions for an exam and save the resultant webpage containing the questions in the cloud. In the next video, we will learn how to generate revision notes and save them in the same web page that we have just created for our revision library. Thank you for watching.